What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States over the next few weeks or so. So let's get into it. First, we're going to be talking about our tropical weather. Today is October 10th, 2025, and we have Tropical Storm Jerry in the Atlantic Ocean. And it's looking to stay as a tropical storm for a pretty long time and expected not to impact anyone other than some of these islands and cities down here in the Atlantic Ocean. You can see some minor impacts from the storm, but it doesn't seem like we need to be concerned about it at all. And we do have up here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, in northern parts of it, we have subtropical storm Karen, not expected to impact anyone either, and that we don't have to worry about subtropical storm Karen either. And we actually do have a tropical storm in the Pacific Ocean right now, which is called Tropical Storm Raymond. And we do kind of got to be watching it a little bit. It could bring maybe a little bit of flooding in the in New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and Colorado. Maybe not flooding, maybe some moisture, but we should be watching out for Raymond. So let's look at the future radar for Raymond. So right here is Raymond. This is Raymond right here. It's currently a large tropical storm, and if we look at the future radar, watch Raymond as it moves through. So if we go into October 12th, Raymond is right here. And watch Raymond as it moves up into October 14th. It's probably going to be causing some flooding in New Mexico on October 14th. So we do got to be watching Raymond, as we're expecting it to kind of go up into the United States, but it doesn't seem like it's going to cause any big impacts, but this is what we're expecting if it goes into the United States. We also got Priscilla right here, which we don't have to worry about at all. I don't even think we need to really worry about Raymond that much, but it could bring some impacts towards the United States, but we don't have to worry about that. And I do want to talk about this nor'easter actually forming in the Atlantic Ocean, which is which is some storms that can cause snow. And it's kind of non-tropical, can cause some pretty nasty storms, and it can also cause some pretty cold winds. And we're going to be expecting some pretty strong wind gusts on the southeast coasts of the United States. And this is the thing that we're going to be watching. If we look into the future, it turns into a nor'easter and it impacts the northeast. If we go more, and this will be by October 12th, then it kind of just goes back up into Atlantic Ocean. But yeah, this seems like it's going to be a nor'easter if you look at the future radar. And yeah, we just got to be watching this. It's probably going to be causing some rip currents, probably going to be causing some wind gusts on the East Coast. So I'll keep you guys updated with this, but we're just going to be watching this very closely. This winter is supposed to be pretty crazy, so yeah, that's why we got to keep very close eyes on this. Now that we got our tropical weather down, let's get into our severe weather outlook, where we have a marginal risk over here in the United States in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and in northwestern Arizona, southwestern Utah, and parts of southern California, and where we could see some scattered severe weather today in this area. I wouldn't worry about too much. It's a very small risk, and it will be too concerning for anything crazy. But yeah, we're expected to see a little bit of some severe thunderstorm warnings in that location. If we look at tomorrow, we are actually expecting a more elevated risk for severe weather, meaning it's a little bit higher up, and we got a bigger risk for tomorrow. This is for October 11th, where we can see some scattered severe weather inside of this area. So make sure we staying weather aware for that. And if we go to our day 3 outlook for October, we don't have a risk out yet as of right now for that day. Now that we got our severe weather outlook down, we got a rainstorm in the United States up here right now that we don't really have to worry about, because it's going to be causing some wind gusts over here on the UP of Michigan, but we don't really have to worry about it too much. We're really seeing a cool down with air for the United States, and we're going to probably be seeing some pretty cooler temperatures in the Midwest and maybe some other areas in the United States, as the heat wave is wearing off finally, and the cold air, and it's probably going to be starting to feel like fall again for many places in the United States. So that's wonderful. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. I hope this weather forecast helped you guys out. Thank you for WeatherWise for letting me use your app, and I hope you have a good week. I'll be trying to upload videos every day now, and I'm sorry for the wait. Have a good day, guys. Bye.